Nearly 900 migrants are sitting behind bars this morning at 2 state prisons. Now, their crimes allegedly crossing into private property.
And state troopers say they will continue making arrests. Channel 5 Santiago Caicedo spoke with some lawyers who say the rights of migrants are being violated.
After nearly 17,000 mostly Haitian migrants were removed from under the international bridge in Del Rio, this week the Texas National Guard announced they would be sending 70 Humvees and 1,500 troops to the valley within the next month. But for the past 2 months, hundreds of migrants detained by state troopers for allegedly entering private property on the Texas-Mexico border have been sent here to the Segovia State Prison in Edinburgh. Attorneys say some haven't even been charged with a crime.
The despair that we hear from the men inside the jail of, I've been detained for 40 days. I haven't spoken to an attorney.
Alicia Torres is an activist who helps families find their loved ones inside state prisons. At last count, the Texas Department of Criminal Justice said there were well over 200 migrants behind bars at the Segovia State Prison in Edinburgh. The great majority are Central Americans, and all were detained not in the valley, but 300 miles northwest in Kinney County.
So when we're talking about criminal trespass, that's a charge where often people get time served or no jail time at all. And we have people that have been sitting in jail for almost 60 days or more than 60 days at this point.
This criminal law professor from UT Austin adds many of the migrants have passed enough days in prison and they should be out free. But many have a hold with Immigration Customs Enforcement, which is keeping them behind bars. Attorneys say the long legal wait times from Kinney County prosecutors are violating their constitutional rights. Santiago Caicedo, Channel 5 News this morning.